So we did some stuff here with the website. This could be live. I'm gonna log back in here. Showed you guys a general overview of what WordPress looks like outside of the box. So now we're gonna take it to the next level here. Load up. While it's loading, I'm gonna cancel a few of these tabs. Here it is. Okay, so as you can see, we have it's a decent sized, right here, pretty decent. Got a couple different options. We go over here. This is Envato Market or themeforest.net, but this is what I've been using for I believe over 5 years now. It's called BeTheme. I'll leave a link in the description. I think it'll get you a discount. I'm not sure, but for me, it's 59 bucks. This theme has 500 pre-built websites. I think when I first got it, I think it only had 300 or 200. And when I say that I use it all the time, I'm not kidding. These are all of my licenses, like a ridiculous amount. So basically what you'll do is you're gonna need one license per website. So 60 bucks, then you got 10 bucks for the domain. If you already have the hosting, then you don't even have to worry about hosting. So you're looking at like a $75 website here every single time. So that's extremely powerful when you can sell them for anywhere from, well, when you start out, maybe $1,000, and then when you get better, 2,000 or 3,000, or if there's somebody who needs a little bit more, then maybe $100 a month, and you can switch around your prices. So once you buy it here, you're gonna get a little confused, and you're gonna have two buttons. So this button, the download button, sounds easy, but then you have this. So what you really want to do, you want to click installable WordPress file only. Do not download this stuff. First click installable WordPress file only, and then click license and certificate purchase code. So two separate files, because I've had so many people click this and it comes out as the same zip file right here, and then they try and upload it into WordPress and it doesn't work. So this is the installable file here. We're going to go to Appearance, Themes. We're going to go Upload, Upload Theme, drag that into Choose File, or click Choose File and find it in your directory, and then install it. This will take a little while, which is fine. So theme installed successfully. We're going to press activate here. And your theme is activated. So now we have a couple of new things here. We have BeTheme on the side, everything that it comes with. Then we have a couple more things as well. So this is where you're going to put your theme registration in. You're going to find your theme registration inside of this PDF. You click the PDF, and that'll show you your code. So I'm going to bleep that out because it opened up and it's got one of my codes on there. I actually have a text document full of codes that I use and don't use, and they're all categorized. So I'm going to switch to that right now. so I named it there. All right, I'm back. Activate it. All right, so it is activated now, and we are rolling. So now we have an activated theme. If we go over here, we press View Site. We could see that it looks a little bit different than it did before. This is the stock, BeTheme look. It's not always going to look like this. If you wanted to start bare bones, then you could do it like this, but we're not going to do that. So we will start cracking on it. But first, we're going to need to do a couple more things.